I saw someone calling this a bean blaster, so of course I had to try it out for myself. If the size of the jet is too much for you, all 4 modes are adjustable. It has a rainfall mode, which I feel would be perfect for your pets. Of course it's also adjustable. The mist mode, which is the perfect combination of rainfall and mist, is my absolute favorite. And of course, a mist smoke, which my toddlers are absolutely obsessed with. It comes with 2 of their 18-layer filters. One is already installed, but one the time comes to replace, are super easy to pop out. It's very user-friendly. The whole installation took less than 5 minutes. Christmas is just around the corner, so if you are looking to become the family favorite, this is a great gift.